Maybe you're wondering, is it worth it to have a financial advisor? Can't I just do it myself? Well, let me tell you a story. I have clients, Matt and Christine, and they're about 15 years from retirement when I first met them. Matt had always been a do-it-yourself financial guy, and he'd done really well for himself. Lots of research and reading, paid off all their debt, had an emergency fund, home was paid off, and saved a substantial amount for retirement. So he's pretty skeptical about meeting with a financial advisor, but Christine wanted to know where they were at with their finances, and she made the appointment. And as we went through the financial planning process, we helped them identify some blind spots and things that they didn't even have on their radar, never considered before. So they had never looked at how much they needed to have saved for retirement. They were just hoping that they were saving enough. Their retirement assets were also invested too aggressively, and they're taking on more risk than necessary, especially for money they were going to be depending on in retirement. They wanted to save for their kids' college education, but were unsure about where they should be saving or how much. Through the financial planning process, we showed them how much they should be saving each month to be successful and comfortable in retirement, and that they would be successful. We showed them where they could be saving for their kids' college education that would save them money on taxes. We also showed them how they could save a substantial amount of taxes over their lifetime by repositioning their savings into different retirement type accounts. In the end, their plan, they had a good solid financial plan, and it wasn't just based on hoping that they had saved enough and done all the right things. There have been several studies by Vanguard and Morningstar to try and quantify the value of having a financial advisor. And you can quantify things like, investment management and tax savings. But there are things you can't quantify, like the emotional part of investing. How much value do you put on having a good, solid financial plan and not having to go it alone?